a technology that can change anyone's face, and another that talks like a human and answers all your questions. Welcome to the world of Deepfake and ChatGPT, a realm of infinite possibilities and dangerous challenges. Let's dive in and explore this fascinating world. First, let's talk about deepfake technology. This technique allows manipulation of faces and voices to create fake videos. Take a look at this clip. Looks real, doesn't it? But this is a deepfake. Now imagine if this technology falls into the wrong hands, it could cause immense damage. But there's also a positive side to it. Deepfake can be used in entertainment and education. For instance, imagine seeing your favorite actors in historical roles. Now, let's talk about ChatGPT, an AI tool that communicates like a human and answers almost any question. Let's do a quick experiment. Look at that. ChatGPT wrote a story in just seconds. You can use it for assignments, storytelling, or even coding. But both technologies come with significant challenges. Misuse. Deepfake can be used to spread false information or ruin someone's reputation. ChatGPT, on the other hand, can be misused for plagiarism or scams. This is why it's crucial to use these tools responsibly. Deepfake and ChatGPT. On one hand, they open doors to incredible possibilities, but on the other, they pose significant challenges. What do you think? Will these technologies shape our future positively, or will they put us at risk? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.